guys, it's Fanta KF Games. Today I am doing a meal time, and so I think some people already sent me gifts, so let's open. This might be a short video. Oh, yo, I'm out. Guys, I can't say that. Oh, hacked by your worst nightmare. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but what does it say? I opened it. I didn't get it. 1 second. Sorry, I was having technical difficulties. I can't speak. Technical difficulties. And so, let's open this. Oh, sneakers. Thank you. Yo. I'm, what Santa says, ho, ho, ho. There. Ooh, hair, thank you. Oh, thank you, this dress is really cute. With sparkles. Oh, wait, that was actually a bow. Oh my god, thank you. Oh, thank you for the cap. Well, a hat with a cap. Oh, thank you for the top. No. Oh my god, you didn't have to give me this. You didn't have to give me flamingo hair. Oh my god, guys, if you don't know what flamingo hair is, it's sorry, I'm listening to, Nightcore. Flamingo hair is a rare, and yeah. Ooh, thank you for the glasses. Ooh, that skirt's really cute. I think it's a skirt. Oh, thank you. Oh. Be like, ooh, thank you for the bubble gum. Nightcore, if you're watching this, please do not copyright. I don't know if it's copyright or not. What? Oh, thank you for the top. It's very fairy tale-y. Wait. Oh, thank you for that so much. I have to tell her I love her robe. I love your robe. I'm in Ravenclaw. Okay, sorry, I just had to talk to her about that. Ooh, that top is cute. Oh my god. I have dresses. Oh, thank you. That dress is really cute. Oh, I see I'm going to love that name. Yay! I love animations, guys, so if you want to get me something, but you don't have to, oh, you can just give me animations, not clothes. Oh, I've been wanting that. Well, thank you for the shoes. There's the dolly shoes. Oh, those are cute. Okay. Ooh, I think I got that from the, yeah. Wait, oh my god, can I just? Oh my god, I love your name. I didn't tell you. I love Why Don't We? So, whoever you are, Anna CV, thank you. Ooh, thank you for that. Wait, can I look at your profile? Hey, I'm Anna and I like sports and pink. I got flamingo hair. You did? That's really cool. Ooh, those boots are adorable. Stop! Anna and yo, thank you so much for giving me so guys, that was the mail time. I'm gonna switch to Roblox. Guys, I'm gonna post very soon. I'm gonna be playing Roblox, but I may not talk, so it just might be this amazing night chorus, but they're in the background. So yeah, bye guys.